Hi guys, thanks for watching my mini twist tutorial. Today I'll be taking week-old hair. As you can tell, it hasn't been freshly washed, but it's a few days old. We're going to take this hair and upcycle it into a new style. Thanks for watching. To begin, make a middle part. Make sure that it's neat from front to back. After that, from your middle part, go down to your sides towards your ear. Make that a section. And then from that section off smaller squares, and that's what you'll be using for your twist. Before I do my twist, I will be applying a hair product. I chose to use Defining Curl Cream by Cake. They are vegan and cruelty free. I initially started this out with a regular braid, 3 strands, but I quickly realized that was going to take too much time. So I reevaluated and decided to go with the 2 strands. So you just have to make sure you twist tightly from the root all the way down. Now that the first twist is complete, you continue the process. You section off another square, twist from the root down to the end, and keep following as such. And then you do the same as you make your next part. As you continue the twisting process, you're just going to keep moving from the front towards the back of your head, sectioning off sections and smaller squares for you to be able to complete your twists and come out with a desired look like this. Just keep going till you get to the back of the head, make your part, water your root, apply product, section it off, and then twist with the tight twist from the root. Keep it as tight as you can all the way down to the end. At this point, I was almost done with twisting half of my head, and I was very impressed with how much progress I had made so far. But let's be real, I had this much more to go. Continuing the process, twisting from root to end. I'm on my very last twist from my right side, so complete right side of my head is finished. Now that the right side is done, we have to continue on to the left side. Pretty much following the same steps from the right side of your head, and moved over to the left, section it off, start from the root and twist all the way down to the end. Water your section, brush it out, apply product, and then twist away. Starting on my very last twist. Once my twists were complete, there are different styles I could do, half up and half down. I could do pigtails. I could style it into a top bun, and so many other styles I can do with regular hair that's not twisted, but just a cuter